So this is our reed switch. So we had used as a door contact switch, magnetic contact switch. So this is the magnet attached to the door. So when the door is open, the connection breaks. And this is our active buzzer. So this is the blue is the signal, this purple is the VCC 3.3, and this white is the ground. So this is connected to pin 16, and this same here, yellow signal, red 3.3, and green is the ground. So this is connected to pin 5. So let's just see the demo. So this is the intruder, and when the door is open, the buzzer is also beeping, and you will see a sound also, intruder alert. So like if I close the door, it is triggered again. So the buzzer was also beeping, and you was hearing that intruder alert alarm sound. So if the door is open, it will sound the same. So this is our code. So like when we click the green flag, it will attach a trigger on pin 16 is falling. So when the pin goes low, active low, it will trigger this head block, and it will turn on the active buzzer and then start the sound, intruder alert, and broadcast a message also. So when this block receives the message, it will wait for 5 seconds, then it will stop all the sound and turn off the buzzer.